Okay, in today's video, we're going to be looking at Craigslist and we're going to be showing you how you can make money on Craigslist by using affiliate marketing or CPA marketing. Let's dive straight into the video. And as you can see here, we're on Craigslist. But before we go and show you what to do, let's quickly go and show you, if you're new to affiliate marketing or to CPA marketing, how you can go and check out offers and where to find them, and so you know where to actually and what to actually promote. Now, CPA offers are a cost per action offer, and if you head over to a site called Offer Vault, okay, and you can actually click on the tab that says affiliate networks here, and there are various affiliate networks here. Max Bounty, probably one of the biggest ones, Max Web, Terra Leads, all those sort of things. So there's loads of different networks here. So you can go and join those networks for a start. Once you have joined those networks, you can then source an actual offer, but you can get offers directly from Offer Vault as well. Okay, so if you're not on Offer Vault, another good way you can do it is just obviously come to Google, type in CPA marketing networks. There's another way you can do it, and then obviously scroll down and you will get then a few different Max Bounty is a great one, Peerfly, and loads of other different ones that are there. So if we head over to something like Max Bounty, so we click in the login. Okay, as you see here, we're now into my Max Bounty account. And as you can see, there are some great offers here. $24 just for that offer there. 20% of the sale you get for that one there. So like I say, there is loads of different offers in here. So we can then, once you've signed up for one of the CPA networks, you can then go and search for different offers. So you click on the browse, and you could also go up the top here, what's trending, what's recently been approved, all those sort of things. So it's a great way of just searching different things up the top there. Now, another thing you can obviously use, as well as CPA networks, you can use affiliate networks as well. So you can use affiliate marketing on the Craigslist as well. ClickBank is probably the most popular affiliate network. Once you've signed up for your free account, you can come into the marketplace, and again, you can then pick on different categories here, and obviously then go and promote the various products by clicking and getting a link. I'm not going to go too much into depth about how you would set up the CPA networking. This is not what this video is about. Obviously, this is obviously about how you're going to do it on Craigslist, okay, and how you're going to use Craigslist to make money. So once you've got your offers, either it's affiliate offer or a actual just a CPA offer, now you then need to obviously go across to Craigslist and basically set up a free account on Craigslist. Okay, now once you've done that, you can then search different countries and different areas where you want to actually post your job. Now, as you can see, there are various different categories here. Now, what we're going to look at today, we're going to look at probably the labor, clicking on labor in the gigs one there. But depending what you're actually promoting, you could basically go into various different categories here. For argument's sake, you could go into pet category. If you were found a dog product, so if we put in dog into the Max Bounty, as you can see, we've got a dog DNA test. Now, I'm a dog owner, and I know loads of people who've actually taken a DNA test. There's so many mixed breeds out there today. They want to know actually what their dog compiles of. What different breeds are in their dog. So, and as you can see here, it's $44 per lead, guys. Okay. Now there are various different ways. It says here what traffic you can actually use. So you'll need to check here that you can use the certain traffic that we're going to provide from Craigslist, and we're going to show you how you can do that on Craigslist very shortly. But once you've obviously click on there, it tells you more about it. Again, it goes through different things, and then you can just click on build a link, and then you can build a tracking link here. You're set to go back into the pet area there, where you could actually then post something all about the pet DNA. And what I'm going to show you in a minute is how you can then go and get the people from Craigslist actually over to your CPA offer or your affiliate offer. What we're going to look at today, we're going to look at, like you say, we're going to look at posting in the gigs and the labor tab here. And we're looking at, we've got this on here for Miami. And of course, you want to look for other ones that are actually in here, guys, because something very, very similar. So this one here, look at this. Earn 150 to 200 in 2 hours sharing opinions on consumer topics. Now, this is the sort of thing you'd be able to pick up on Max Bounty sometimes, or certainly on the CPA networks, where you can actually go and give your opinion and get paid for giving that opinion. So if we just click on that there, this will just show you how it's sort of set up. And as you can see here, this is quite a good ad. They've got an image at the top here, and they've got loads of a really good detail in here. And that's what you want to do. You want to set your ad up. Don't just put just a couple of lines. Set it out really well. Set out the benefits, and really it has to be sort of very similar to like a sales letter will be better. Now you can obviously put links in here, and they've put links, as you can see here, and it goes to a website. So if we click on that website, and as you can see, it goes to a bridge page, squeeze page, where you're putting in your extra email to then get more information. So it's taking you one step and then giving you, you're asked then to give you your email address, where you can actually go and then obviously register, and then they've got your email address, so they could then email you offers and ongoing other offers to do with the same sort of thing. And I'll show you how you can actually make these landing pages very, very shortly. But before we do, another way you can actually do it in Craigslist is by just leaving it as it is, and just putting at the bottom that you need to reply to this gig via the email. So once you actually go and set up, so if we look at posting a gig, so we click on the post, this is where you go and set it up. And we want to obviously, we're going to post it in Miami. We're going to put gig offered, and we're going to put I want to hire someone, and then we can put a labor gig, and then we're good to go. So you've got your title, you've got obviously the city and the postcode you want to do it, and then you've got your description here, guys. Okay, so this is where you're going to put all your details about the offer, about the benefits of so to get people to actually click, and then you can actually put on here reply to this email. Okay, now down the bottom here we will be putting in here your email address. Okay, now what you want to do is go and get a Gmail account address for this particular offer. Okay, now you want to get a brand new email address to suit this particular offer. Because what we're going to show you in a minute is how you can then automatically reply to this email with the details of the offer, so they can go and click on it. Once you've done that, obviously, then you'll be good to go. You can put things like images and things in here as well if you wanted to. Ordinary text is just good, but make sure, like I say, you don't just put a couple of lines. Try and beef it out. Try and make sure that it's clickable and that people actually want to actually go and get the information. If we use a Google account, so if you come across and you set up a Gmail account, if you come across to the cog here and then click on general, okay, so this is the general settings here, and then if we scroll right to the bottom, and this is why I say we want to use a brand new email address, go right to the bottom here, and it says here vacation responder off. So you can click vacation responder on, okay, and then you could put a different subject line here. So this could be this is the information you required, and then you can set up an email here, which will then you can obviously put a link in this email directly to your either affiliate offer or to your CPA offer, okay, and that is a good way of doing it, where you haven't actually got to put a link in the actual post, so you're more likely to get your post okayed by Craigslist. Now, what you don't want to do is obviously go and put a link directly to your affiliate offer or your CPA offer, because what's going to happen there is you probably won't actually get your gig actually approved by the CPA network. So once you've done that, like I say, the other way of doing it, and we're going to show you that very shortly, these people have created here they've actually created like a little squeeze page, a bridge page where people put in their email address here, and then you are good to go. Now, there are plenty of page builders, that sort of thing. You could, an alternative way of doing these things is you could actually set up your own blog. So you could set up a blog which will have a blog post and give you more details about the offer, and obviously then links to go and grab the relevant offer via your blog. But what I would recommend is the squeeze page is probably, or the bridge page is probably a better way of doing it, because you don't have to then set up a blog and obviously create hosting, all that sort of thing. Now, what I'm going to show you to do, show you the way to do this, is come across to a website called aweber.com. So Aweber is one of the top email marketing and autoresponders in the business, and as you can see here, you can get email marketing, landing pages, web push notifications, and much more when you sign up free today. Yes, you can sign up free. There is an ongoing pricing at a later date once you hit a certain level of subscribers, and that starts from about $19 a month. So not really expensive at all. Most of these page builders and things like that, such as ClickFunnels, Builderall, they're hundreds of dollars per month. This is only going to be a little bit, and of course you can then grow as you go. You've automatically got your automated emails and that you can set up in the back of Aweber straight away. Everything's in there. So what I'll do, I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but what I'll do at the end of this video, I will give you a link to I'll give you two videos at the end of this video. One which will show you how Aweber, you can set up Aweber nicely, and what I'll also do is set another video there which will basically give you an indication on affiliate marketing itself and how you can actually set up affiliate marketing if you are a total beginner, and that goes through a whole tutorial about how you can actually set up and get started with affiliate marketing as well. So as you can see, guys, CPA marketing and affiliate marketing on Craigslist is very doable. There is a little bit of time obviously setting things up and getting things sorted, but as you can see, these people are posting every single day in there, so it's definitely worth doing. There are some great offers out there that you can actually apply. And just have a look on Craigslist, see what people are actually advertising, and then go over to the CPA networks and find out what offers there are around. Okay, I trust you found that interesting and useful. If you did, obviously smash up the old like button for us, and don't forget to drop us a comment below if you're going to go and try this out. Also, don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation, which is in the link in the description below. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel right now, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.